G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Heading out with the 3FULGear YUE 45 lightweight backpack. We're going to be doing around 8 kilometers, the plan is. And in the past, when I've done this trek with different packs, I've ended up going off track and doing a little bit more. But 8 kilometers is my plan. I've got about 12 kilos in the pack at the moment. I've loaded it up with the majority of what I'd normally take, my tent and everything, just to get a feel of it, see how it goes. But one thing I've noticed just walking from the car, which is just over half a kilometre back that way, the ventilation between my back, I don't know if you can see it there, and the pack, it's a good 1.5 or more. I can actually easily get my hands and my wrists through there. So the ventilation on this, where it's designed with the curve, it's nice. It's going to be a good one for doing them multi-days in the summer or in the warmer weather. This is where I am at the moment. It's a local park not far from where I live, and unfortunately this time of the morning it's a flight path to Perth Airport. But just that first half a kilometre, I'll let you know now nothing's rubbing yet, and hopefully it doesn't start to rub. Feels comfortable, feels balanced, and like I said, I've got that nice airflow behind me between the pack and my back. Yeah, I'll let you know as I go. About 1.5 kilometres in. No adjustments needed. Still feeling comfortable. No rubbing. Good so far. One thing I will say is what I have noticed is with me at my height, just under 5'6", my hat just fits on top of the pack. But it is a bit annoying. I feel it rubbing. So I'm going to swap this when I'm using this hat for maybe a baseball cap or a smaller brim hat, like the old boonie hat. 3.5 kilometres in. Just going down a slight decline at the moment. No adjustments had to be made to the pack. Not feel any pulling. Still sitting nice. Yeah. Getting used to my hat rubbing at the moment. Five and a half kilometres in. Yeah, it's going to be longer than 8 kilometres. I've made a couple of diversions, as usual. Pack is going good. Still very comfortable. Breathability with that gap between my back and the pack. I can still feel the breeze coming through there. I've got some perspiration, but that's not from the pack, that's from me actually walking up and down hills and that beautiful blue sky with the sun shining. It's just great. I keep saying it, it's great. And there's no sore spots in the pack, no aches or pains from it. The important thing is to set it up at home first a few times, load it out fully and adjust everything then, so you know that it's adjusted for when you are going out on your day hike or multi-day hike or whatever you're going to be doing. Be prepared, as the old Boy Scouts used to say. Don't know if they do anymore, but they used to. Right, let's try and knock out some more kilometres. From where I am now, I'm probably 5 kilometres away from the car. I'm starting to just come back around now to head back. The long way. Hmm. 10 kilometres, or just over, and the last 2 kilometres we had 1, 2, 3 points where we dropped about 225 metres, back up, back down, back up, back down, and we just got back up and on sort of levelish now. No issues with the pack. Didn't wobble, didn't move. I slightly had to adjust the hip belts to allow it easier for me to climb up and down the inclines and declines. But apart from that, no, the pack's doing good. So we've still got a bit until we get back to the car. But loving it. Pack's doing good. Okay, coming up to do 12k mark, which is roughly where I've parked the car. The pack, let's finish it off here. So, the pack's doing great. The squeak, I've got less and less and less. I think it's just with it wearing in, getting that newness off the material. Balance wise, great. The air vent at the back, between your back and the actual backpack itself, all the time it's been open, I've felt the air blowing through that. That's a great design, I like that one. The lumbar support, that's really comfortable. Hip belt, no troubles with that, nice and comfortable. Able to adjust it to mould the actual hip bones itself. So that was nice. As a bonus. The weight, carrying the weight, been no issue at all. Even going up them hill steep inclines and declines a few kilometres back. But no, I'll give it a thumbs up myself. Next time I'll try with a little bit more weight, but I can't see myself carrying more than 14 kilos in this, so it's only a couple of kilos more. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not a subscriber, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, then click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos, and hit the thumbs up button, the like. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.